Hi everyone, welcome back to Baby Steps to Your Best Life Yet, a 21-day cleaning challenge where we are going to be building some simple cleaning habits into a daily routine designed to help you get your home clean, clear and under control in 21 days. If you're new here, be sure to check out the link in the description of the video that I've posted explaining the 21-day challenge, along with the videos that I've uploaded each day showing how I tackle each of those daily cleaning tasks.
Every time I'm going out, the same things keep happening. New boy, same tricks. Coming close to me now, trying to be smooth. So here we go again, here we go again. You're trying to buy me drinks, and I don't like your cheap tricks. Take it somewhere else, would ya? Would ya? I don't know what you think, but I'm not one of those chicks. Take it somewhere else, would ya? Would ya?
You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me.
Looking like a movie star, you try to pick me up in your new sports car.
So guys, already we are up to day 5 and today's task is to do a load of laundry. I made this task to be falling on a Saturday, so most people don't work. So if you do have lots of laundry to catch up on, you can really spend that time today to get it all caught up and get it done. We had a couple of rainy days this week, so I have got a bit of laundry to catch up on. I definitely incorporate doing a load of laundry each day into my everyday cleaning routine. When I go out and take Freddie for a walk in the mornings, I will leave through the downstairs basement garage where the laundry is set up, and I will just pop on a load of laundry. Same thing if we're leaving to go for school drop off, we are passing by the laundry, so I just take a load down, pop it on. By the time I come back from my walk or by the time I come back from school drop off, the load is done, so I can either hang it out or switch it into the dryer if it's a rainy day. And by doing one little load of laundry a day, it just helps you keep on top of the laundry so you don't end up with piles and piles of laundry that you're absolutely dreading doing. Kids are running out of underwear. Not in this house, they've got plenty of underwear. Kids don't have their clean school uniforms for the days that they need it. You're never running out of clean clothes. And I know that some people think that they don't have enough loads to do a load every day, but if you have a load of cleaning cloths, you have a load of towels, you have a load of sheets, you have a load of whites, you have a load of darks, you have a load of bright colors, that's literally 6 loads of washing in a week without even trying. Now, if you've got kids, you're going to multiply that by a couple times over. Whatever size household, you definitely have a load that you can do pretty much every day. And it doesn't mean that you have to do like a whole load, the whole cycle from washing to drying to hanging out. You know, maybe each day you can do one part of that load. Maybe spend one day sorting your laundry and then putting on a load, then drying it and then folding it up and putting it away. You can break it down so that it is not just piling up, so that it is an unmanageable task, which I know a lot of people dread doing laundry, but honestly, when it's a little bit every day, I honestly don't mind doing it. And by doing a little bit each day, I'm much more likely to use the outdoor air dryer and skip using the dryer. So that is saving the environment and saving my money.
Looking like a movie star, you try to pick me up in your new sports car. I think it's called a Jaguar. I don't give a damn, I got money on my mind. I can see you want me bad, but your pretty moves kinda make me sad. Oh boy, you must be mad. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot.
Now remember my favorite cleaning saying, do it till it's done. This is definitely applicable when it comes to laundry day. You don't want to leave your clothes piled up around the house. Baskets of clean folded laundry. I know that is typical of people. They just do the washing, they fold it up, but then they leave it for days and days. If that happens, kids usually will rifle through stuff and then all your hard work folding all those clothes is undone. So take the time and put it away on the day that you fold it. You definitely won't regret it. And then it will be done to completion and you don't even have to think about it. You don't have to look at those baskets of laundry, eyeing you back, making you feel guilty for not having completed your job. So just get it put away and get it done till it's done. So guys, that is it for today's video. A super simple task. If you've been putting it off, just get your laundry caught up. If you are already in the habit of doing a little bit each day, a little bit of laundry each day, it keeps the nakedness away, or whatever that saying is. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. I'll leave a link in the description to the playlist of all the videos in this challenge so far. Have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow for another cleaning challenge. Bye everyone.